Hi, this is Rajesh. Today we are going to do problems in quadratic equations, exercise 5.2. We will see seventh problem. So that is, the base of a triangle is 4 centimeters longer than its altitude. If the area of the triangle is 48 square centimeters, then find its base and altitude. In this problem, they gave the condition, that is, base of a triangle is 4 centimeters longer than its altitude and the area of a triangle is 48 square centimeters. Then we need to find the dimensions. Those are base and height of a triangle. So first we need to take one triangle. This is a triangle. Name these vertices as A, B and C. Now if you draw a line segment from vertex to opposite side perpendicularly, this will be the altitude. So altitude is nothing but height of a triangle. In this problem, base of a triangle is 4 centimeters longer than its altitude. Here we don't know altitude. If you know altitude, then if you add plus 4, automatically you will get the length of the base. So here we need to assume length of the altitude is x centimeters. Then base of a triangle is x plus 4 centimeters. When you consider altitude of a triangle is x centimeters, then base of a triangle is x plus 4 centimeters. See, first we will write given data, that is area of a triangle is equal to area of a triangle A is equal to 48 centimeters square. Now let x be the altitude of a triangle. Then base of a triangle is equal to base of a triangle B is equal to x plus 4 centimeters according to the problem. How could I write this one? According to the problem. In this problem, area is 48 centimeters square. We assume x be the altitude of a triangle. Then base of a triangle is x plus 4 centimeters. We need to find altitude and base of a triangle in this one. So here, first area is equal to 48 centimeters square. Then area means half into base into height is equal to 48. Now 1 by 2 into base means x plus 4 into height means x is equal to 48. Here 2 is multiplying, dividing, after is equal, it will multiply. Now x into x plus 4 is equal to 48 into 2. See, x into x square plus 4x is equal to 48 2s are 96. Now x square plus 4x minus 96 is equal to 0. If you multiply, see, we got a quadratic equation, that is x square plus 4x minus 96. After that, take first term and last term. We need to multiply those two things. You will get minus 96x square. Product of two terms should be equal to minus 96x square. When you add those two terms, sum should be equal to plus 4x. So that only here, if you want to find two terms, first take numerical value. Product should be equal to minus 96, sum should be equal to plus 4. For that one only, we need to find factors of 96. After that, we have to get product should be minus 96. One of the factors must be positive, another factors is negative. Then only we will get product is negative, isn't it? For which term we need to give plus, for which term we need to give minus, it depends upon the middle term. Here middle term is plus 4, isn't it? For the larger factor of the 96, we need to give plus symbol. Smaller factor of the 96, we need to give minus. Now, find factors or prime factors for the 96. It will be easy. So, 2 table 48, 2 table 24, 2 table 12. When you divide with the 2 table, it will become 6. Take 2 table 3. Now, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 3s are 96. Product is equal to 96. So, if you multiply 2 into 48, we are getting 96. Suppose if you give minus is for 2, plus is for 48, minus 2 into 48, minus 96. But if you add these two, we are not getting plus 4. So, we should not take 2 into 48. Next, go for 2 2s are 4. 4 into 24, 96 will get. So, minus 4 into 24, we will get minus 96. But the sum is not equal to plus 4. Next, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 into 12, we are getting 96. So, keep minus for 8. Minus 8 into 12, minus 96. Minus 8 plus 12, we are getting plus 4. So, that only here we can write minus 96 x square as the product of minus 8x and plus 12x. If you multiply these two, we are getting minus 96 x square. When we add these two, we are getting plus 4x. So that only here. So to identify getting these two will be a little bit difficult, but the practice we can get these two very easily. So for that only we need to find prime factors. We have to multiply to get these things. After getting those two terms, we need to write in place of middle term those two things. Minus 8x plus 12x minus 96 is equal to 0. From these two, if I take x is common, x minus 8. From these two, if I take plus 12 is common, x minus 8 is equal to 0. Now from these two things, what can I take common? I can take x minus 8 is common. So x minus 8 into x plus 12 is equal to 0. So x minus 8 is equal to 0 or x plus 12 is equal to 0. Now you get x is equal to 8 or x is equal to minus 12 we will get. See in this, we got x is equal to minus 12, x is equal to 8. X is nothing but what? We assume altitude of a triangle. So altitude of a triangle, it won't be in negative numbers. So we need to take positive number. X is equal to 8. After considering x is equal to 8, altitude of a triangle, x is equal to 8 centimeters, then base of a triangle is equal to base of a triangle, b is equal to x plus 4 centimeters, therefore you will get 8 plus 4 is equal to 12 centimeters. Okay, once check this one.